एंड आज हमारे साथ में है स्पेशल गेस्ट काम्या अलावा।
Thank you for having me.
So thank you so much for being here. First and most important, how you are taking care of your skin.
The most important thing is using the right moisturizer, because I feel initially it was a struggle for me. I have a sensitive skin, and if I use a wrong moisturizer, I'll end up having acne the other day. So
Right.
I feel finding the right moisturizer and sunscreen is the most important thing.
Especially if your skin is very oily.
Correct.
I know that your skin is very oily.
Right.
Well, Kamya is coming for last 6 years over here in Skin Clinic, okay, our clinic, and she came over here for a small treatment.
Yeah,
Okay? So
correct.
like this is like something like is kind of a great for us, okay. And next question for you: what kind of mistakes that you have done on your skin earlier?
I feel almost everything. One of the biggest mistakes people do is they don't take off their makeup before they sleep. Like at times,
Yes.
if you're coming late from a party or a dinner, you might end up sleeping with the makeup, and it's the worst thing which you could ever do with your skin. You should never sleep with the makeup on
Right.
your face.
Right.
No matter how tired you are, you should always at least just take it off. Like if you can't moisturize, just take off the makeup.
Right. So I will explain you that what kind of like makeup that can cause some kind of problems in our skin. So if you're using kind of makeup that the pores will be blocked, and again like your skin, the oiliness will be there on your skin.
Correct.
That can cause kind of pimple, because our skin is little bit oily since your age is around 25. Okay, so
Yeah.
the skin is very oily.
Yeah.
And oily skin can cause kind of pimples. Second, because of some irritation, okay, our skin may have kind of allergic reaction.
Right.
Okay, so these are kind of two problems can happen
Right.
if you are keeping the makeup on your skin for a longer time.
Longer time,
Right.
correct.
So ideally we have to wash with a kind of a good cleanser, okay, not like aggressively, but we have to wash our face with a kind of good cleanser. Then after we can use a good moisturizer, hydrate your skin, and after 10 to 15 minutes you can use a kind of a serums and all. Okay. Next question for you: have you popped your pimple?
Yes. So when I was in school, I used to have like a lot of acne, and just to get rid of it, I started squeezing it. That it might just, I want to squeeze it. Like I just want to get rid of it, but then that never works out.
Many people used to ask me, doctor, you're also doing the same only.
Yeah.
And we are also doing the same. What's the difference between them? So ideal difference is the pressure. Okay, see, ideally we have to use a kind of a gentle pressure so that all the sebum and all should come out. Okay, it should not
Correct.
go deep in the
Deep
skin.
in the skin,
ये
correct.
प्रॉब्लम होता है जनरली. ओके, अगर आप कैसे ही प्रेशर करते हो
Pressure
ना,
कर रहे हो.
तो कुछ पार्ट आपका स्किन का या उसमें सीबम का that will go inside the skin and that can cause some kind of reaction to the
Reaction.
skin, and that can cause a kind of a bigger pimple.
और बड़ा acne, like
बड़ा पिंपल
उस
बनाएगा,
time पे, हाँ.
and that will also leave kind of a scar and mark.
Correct.
See, दोनों तीन
Correct.
चीजें. See, these things are very common. Okay, and कोई भी ऐसा नहीं है कि जो इनसे थोड़ा सा बच पाता है.
Right.
बट अगेन अगर आप थोड़ा से स्मार्ट होते हैं तो डेफिनेटली इन चीज़ों से बचा जा सकता है. राइट. इन तीनों चीज़ों का ध्यान रखिए. ओके, एक और चीज़ मैं आपसे पूछना चाहता हूँ. What kind of challenges that you have in your field?
Well, challenges I feel because we have long shooting hours, good 12, 13, 14 hours, and you have makeup on your face, and then every 2 hours the makeup artist
wash.
would come and they'll do the touch up. You can't take off the makeup, you have to be on camera, and then you have to make sure that you end up looking pretty also.
Right.
Right, so that is
Biggest part is the makeup part. Okay.
Correct.
Second, again I'm telling you that sometimes they don't have kind of a good habit of food and eating and all,
correct. That is also true.
and the timings and all.
Timings that you end up shooting for 13, 14 hours, you might not get the healthiest food on set. So at times it does get challenging to maintain,
And again sleep, that sometimes you have to work in the night.
Correct. You have a lot of night shifts. Like last shoot which I did, we were shooting for good 18 hours.
Oh.
And I took a nap in my vanity for 3 hours. I got up, I did my touch up. I again had to step out to shoot. So it does become challenging at times to, not sleep and still look pretty and still just make sure that कि कल कोई acne ना आ जाए. Else.
So ideally your skin should be healthy.
Correct.
I can say super healthy.
Correct.
Means if a kind of a little bit stress, a
Correct.
part of hormonal action, or a part of a diet,
Correct.
or a sleep or stress, that should not induce kind of pimples on your face.
Correct. Correct.
Ideally, your skin, like, we have to be treat holistically, जिसमें आपको ये सारी चीजें ठीक होना जरूरी है. And definitely once you are taking care of these things, then I can say that your skin is a super healthy. और in general आपकी स्किन पर कोई भी नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट नहीं पड़ता उसका.
Correct.
Right?
Correct.
So ये था short interaction with Kamya Elawat, and we'll come with a kind of interesting video very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for being here.
Thank you for having me, doctor.
Thank you. Bye bye.